What if a single generative AI skill could make your resume stand out in today's competitive job market? Companies are actively searching for professionals who can build real AI solutions, and that's exactly what you'll learn in today's video. The generative AI market is growing incredibly fast. Skills like AWS Bedrock, agentic AI, prompt engineering, and AI automation are appearing everywhere. The best time to learn them is before everyone else catches up. In this video, we're building something that every recruiter can understand. An AI resume reviewer built entirely using AWS services. And along the way, you'll learn concepts interviewers love to discuss. Before we build anything, let's quickly look at the AWS services behind this solution. Each service has a specific responsibility in the workflow. Understanding the AWS architecture will make everything easier to follow. Amazon S3 stores resumes. Textract reads documents. Lambda automates the workflow, and Bedrock performs the intelligence. Together, these services transform a simple PDF into meaningful hiring insights. That's the power of a modern AI pipeline. Let's start with the simple business problem that we will be solving. A company posts a job opening online. Within days, hundreds of resumes start arriving. Every resume must be reviewed carefully. Recruiters spend hours reading documents manually. The process becomes slow and expensive very quickly. Now imagine receiving 1,000 resumes for a single role. Finding the best candidates becomes extremely difficult. This is where generative AI starts creating value. Before we continue, I have a quick favor to ask. Write AI in the comments if you want the complete tutorial PDF. It helps me create more practical projects for this community. Now, let's look at our solution. We are building an AI resume screener using AWS, and you'll soon see why companies are excited about this architecture. Everything starts when a candidate uploads a resume. The document is usually uploaded as a PDF file. That file becomes the input to our entire workflow. The resume first arrives inside Amazon S3. Think of S3 bucket as secure cloud storage. It safely stores all incoming resumes. Once the resume reaches S3, something interesting happens. An AWS Lambda function gets triggered automatically. This starts the automated workflow. Our Lambda function now has a mission. It must understand what is written inside the resume. But first, it needs text extraction. This is where Amazon Textract enters the picture. But why can't we send the PDF directly to Bedrock? Because foundation models work best when they receive plain text. Here is a common interview question. Why do we need Textract in this architecture? Because it converts documents into text that AI models can understand. The extracted text is now ready. It gets sent to Amazon Bedrock. This is where the real AI analysis begins. Imagine a recruiter is hiring a Python developer for a fast-growing technology team. Hundreds of resumes arrive within just a few days. Now the real AI analysis begins. The recruiter wants one simple answer. Which candidates deserve attention first? That challenge starts with skill extraction. Here's a common interview question. What exactly is skill extraction? It means identifying important skills automatically from unstructured text. Suppose a candidate mentions Python, AWS, SQL, and machine learning. Within seconds, Bedrock recognizes those technologies and creates a structured skill profile. But extracting skills is only the beginning. recruiters still need to know who is the best fit. That leads us to candidate scoring. The screening engine compares job requirements against candidate skills. It measures how closely they align and generates a match score. Imagine you've spent weeks preparing for your dream job. The system discovers you match 8 out of 10 requirements. Suddenly, your resume moves higher on the shortlist. Another interview question worth remembering. What is candidate scoring? It is the process of evaluating resume relevance using AI scoring logic. However, recruiters still need one more insight. What important skills are missing? This is called skill gap analysis. The role requires Docker and Kubernetes experience, but neither appears in the application. The report automatically highlights missing skills. This helps recruiters make decisions much faster. It also helps candidates improve future applications. That creates measurable business value. What once required hours of manual effort now happens automatically. The hiring team receives actionable insights almost instantly. That is the power of AI automation. The final report is far more than a resume summary. It contains skills, scores, recommendations, and hiring insights, all generated automatically by Amazon Bedrock. Let's quickly review the architecture. Resume PDF to S3, Lambda, Textract, and Bedrock. This is the AWS workflow you should remember for interviews. Companies love this architecture because it scales effortlessly. One solution can process thousands of resumes every month, creating enormous HR efficiency and cost savings. And this idea goes far beyond resume screening. The same approach can analyze contracts, invoices, and business documents. That's the power of a modern document AI platform. If an interviewer asks for a practical generative AI project, describe this resume reviewer confidently. It demonstrates cloud, AI, automation, and business understanding together. If you want the complete implementation guide, write AI in the comments and subscribe to Tech by Sketch, because this channel helps you learn AI by building real projects that get noticed in interviews.